Hello, welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you to create a Telegram account on Telegram app. We're gonna start by putting up your Telegram on your phone device. Tap on that. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Once you arrive on this main screen, make sure you enter the correct phone number, or otherwise it will not work. Then once you're done entering your number, make sure you look on the upper right hand corner where it says next. Next, tap on that. Then they're gonna send you a code. Then once you have the code, make sure you enter the code right there. Then now they're gonna ask you to enter information. Once you're done entering all your information, look in the upper right hand corner where it says next. Tap on next right there. Then they're going to say we would like Telegram to access your contacts. Make sure you tap where it says OK right there. And tap. And that's it, create a Telegram account on Telegram app. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. And thank you for watching.